guys, welcome back. It is me, Shelly, and we are doing another special delivery at WingZone. So they did order 24 hats, embroidery, one location, and we do have a special going on with those right now for $398, again for 24 Richardson hat. I don't believe this is Richardson, but you can get your Richardson hat for $398, 24 embroidery, one location. We do have embroidery puff available as well for additional fees for that, but we're gonna go ahead and deliver these to Brian here and give him his product. Let's go ahead and go inside.
A+.
That's good.
All right, perfect. So we are here in WingZone with Tiara, and you remember her from our last video showing us how to make the new chicken sandwich that was so delicious. Oh, with Caesar. Shout out to Caesar. He was also here as well.
She got on the shirt?
We do have our Flash Custom Transfer shirt, so we have provided the t-shirt, the uniform. Here we go. So we have our embroidery hat and our t-shirts with the, and this is a custom order with the black in the front with the red in the back. So you are able to order custom colors if they are available, of course. But we were able to find that and execute that for them. So we have all the hats here for all of the employees. How do you like that?
I like it. I like the
good,
colors,
it's
the
good.
match with the shirt.
Yeah, it looks good.
It does look good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Is that coming on too?
How's the shirt holding up?
It's good. I like it. I need like 10 more.
You need like 10 more. Something got that. Ew, somebody's gonna wear that. You can't put your. Give it to somebody you don't like, I guess.
Look, we're gonna edit that part out.
right. Good.
All right, so we are here, and then we will also be delivering for the next batch as well,
Yes.
and we will be supplying all the uniforms for the other location in Tomball. We'll be visiting them very soon. So please stay tuned and visit us at Flash Custom Transfers if you're interested in any uniform for your business, or if you'd like for us to come visit you locally. We are here in Houston, Cypress area.